Hello, welcome back to another video, and we are doing a makeover. Firstly, I'd like to apologize for the mess of my hair, how I presented myself today. Apologies. It's not all about fashion right now. It's about, I'm on a mission. I need to get this room sorted. I've delayed it for a couple of weeks because life has been lifing, but I feel like if I start, we will start moving in the right direction. It's not going to be one of those videos. I'm not going to do this turnaround in 48 hours. Let's be realistic, because there's quite a few furniture pieces that I need to bring in this space. So it's a gradual process, but I'll be taking you through. I'm hoping to do part 1 and part 2 of this video, hopefully, because it's definitely going to be a journey. But yeah, I originally did this room probably about 3 years ago, and it was quite princess, very like French chic. But now I want it to look a little bit more vintage, a bit more characteristic of a little bit of modern organic, as much as I can in this space. I'm hoping by the time this video goes up, I would have done a render so I can show you what the vision is. But with me, when it's my project, I usually just go with the flow and just take me wherever my creative mind takes me, because it wanders sometimes and it does different things. So yeah, let me show you the paint that we want to go for. So update. So I've painted all the walls. I don't know, you can't really see it because it's a bit dark. It's evening, 4 o'clock actually. But the colour is beautiful, despite the stuff that in here, like that pink bed looks hideous against that. Okay, hideous is quite a strong word, but it's not what we're going for here. And the white shutters are really popping with the white. Hence why I've left some white aspects in here so it doesn't look so striking and off. And I guess because the lighting, because of this horrible light at the moment, in the evening is just not setting them off well. In the day, the shutters look nice, the whiteness looks nice with the wall colour, because at the moment it's showing like a yellow undertone, which is not what it really looks like. It's more like cream. So I am now behind me doing some paneling. A very simple paneling, very easy, because I'm not about that life right now in terms of paneling. If you've watched my other video, you know the stress, and I promise myself not to do it again. So this is the plan, to have it like this and then have this bit on the top of it. I'll try and insert a picture so you see what the vision is like. However, I did notice that if I turn it this way, it could be like a shelf, which again could work out pretty well. However, I think we might be putting a bunk bed on this side of the room, so it won't work because then it's gonna stick out quite a lot. But if you were thinking of doing this design, it's good because then you can use it for like a little bit of a shelving idea. But yeah, this is quite good. So this is 10 pieces for £16 from Homebase, and I think that is definitely a bargain. And yeah, less work. I might have to do some cutting obviously, because this is not going to go all the way, and I need to take all of this stuff down. I've just been a little bit excited to get started, but yeah, let's get started. Like a week later now. Things have definitely progressed. Sorry, it's a bit dark in here. Let me stand here. Yeah, it's a little bit dark because I think it's about to rain. But I've had some deliveries today, so I thought I'd update. Baby. Sorry about that. So yeah, I just want to update you on what's happening so far. So I've painted all that needs to be painted. So this is all done, paneling is all done, it's all painted. Good wallpaper that looks similar to this, only in terms of like the black and white, but it's got like bunnies and foxes on it. It's very cute. It has been delayed, and I've emailed them to say what's going on, so I'm waiting for their reply. But can you see how beautiful this looks? The contrast, just to get the vision. So yeah, it's very nice. I cannot wait for that to come. I've been ordering some little bits here and there and going a little bit of shopping. My daughter actually picked this up. This was from H&M, and it's not just a book, but it's storage as well. So I asked her, what are you going to store in there? But she hasn't quite figured it out yet. But yeah, this will look nice, kind of mounted on something, probably like a wooden shelf. And then this lovely boucle clouds. This from H&M. It was only like £2. And we were trying to see if it can go in here. We can do a DIY job, but then that means I have to like seal that up and repaint it probably. Bit tricky, but we'll see how that goes. I haven't quite thought about what I'm going to do with the bed, how I'm going to get rid of it, so to say. So that's pending. Oh, I got this as well. This is a new edition. This is in Home Sense at the moment because of their like Easter range. The chandelier is off. Obviously doesn't go with the theme of the room at the moment. So yeah, this was originally in our living room once upon a time, and moved up. So now this is in place. Ollie just fixed it just now. I had to buy a new pendant, so because obviously that one was flush to the wall. But yeah, isn't this cute? How cute is that? We've just literally put the fairy in there. Thing I want to do with this, a little DIY, I want to like stick some of this around like a garland going around it, maybe just like halfway. I think that would look really pretty. So yeah, I'm going to go out to the shops in a minute because I want to get some, I think I'll use a glue gun, that would work better. The bed is there. I don't want to show you too much until the final reveal. We're still waiting on the wallpaper to come. Hopefully it should come on Monday. Today is Saturday. So the wallpaper has arrived. There it is there. And Abby is pasting it on. It's actually his first time doing wallpaper. He watched a YouTube video for like 1 minute and he said it was bored. So he said, I think I'll get it. So yeah, he's doing it now. And yeah, so far so good. He's matched it up really well. If I can get a bit closer. Yeah, you can't even see the line. Okay. Is that the line that you're showing me?
No, it's the line where I'm joining now.
Oh, okay. You proud of yourself?
Not really.
Why?
It's technically the second time I've done it.
Let's not talk about the first time. The first time doesn't count. 7 years ago in the flat, that does not count.
That was really cheap wallpaper.
It took 4 men to put the wallpaper and it flopped. That was the story. Yeah, this is the first time I would say. Oh, you're doing well, it looks good. So I'm also going for like this kind of Montessori theme in this room. So a lot of her toys are, well the baby's toys especially, are mostly wooden, with a Montessori kind of aspect to the learning. I got this, which will let me take it off her, from Amazon. And I've just bought some command straps. I'm going to stick it on the wall because I wanted this area here to kind of be like a space of learning and play. So it can come off and on the wall, but it's quite nice to have it on the wall as well, so she can kind of walk up to it and do some kind of dexterous learning on her fine motor skills, all of that. It's a win. Do you know what? I put it in the wrong height to check if she can reach, but she can. Oh no. That did not even last long. Okay, we have to do this again. But yeah, for the most part, this room is done. I am happy. It's finally done. Of course, true Abigail style, there's a few little finishing touches that I need to add in here, but they're gonna take a while. Like, we've done a little photo shoot of the girls, got some pictures I'm gonna bring in this room. The door handle still hasn't been sorted. Just a few little nuggets of things, but that will come as time goes on. So I probably will do an updated video tour of this room. If you're excited to see that, please comment below, let me know. I'll probably get the girls involved as well, like show their reaction. But yes, let me just show you a quick before and then I'll show you a quick after. So that is it for this transformation for now, because as I said, I'm going to do an updated room tour and show you where I got most of this stuff from and give you a little bit more details about the design and the creation development behind it. But yeah, for the most part, I'm so pleased with how it's turned out. It has fulfilled all my expectations and yeah, love it. So if you love this video, please do not forget to comment below, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, there will be another transformation coming up. Hopefully, if my clients give me permission, I can hopefully do one of theirs. But there's definitely more transformations to happen in this home to give you inspiration. So please come back for another video and I will see you then. Bye.